Hello, friends. Today, I feel it's important we begin to talk about the fundamentals of research. You see, research we have discussed before now could actually help us in making informed judgments about our environment, about our businesses, about our society, even about the entire universe. Now, please understand that this informed judgment or decision is only made possible through the pieces of information that we actually collected even from the population. Sometimes it could be from the sample that we obtain from the actual population. And maybe you are talking about experimental study, the information we got from the lab, from the subject we used during those experiments, maybe in a clinical research. These are pieces of information that will actually help us to make decisions about the research focus. Now, there's a technical term that is usually used for these particular pieces of information, and that is the word data. And that is why today I will be talking to you about the topic data, the basic tool in research. Again, my name is Felix Ayodele Oyeleye. Now, data actually, the word data, the term data is a plural word that actually refers to the information, the item of information we collect even from the population. And it is this piece of information that we usually analyze and we present. We study the pattern and the agreement to make judgment about the population. Now, there are two categories of this particular of data generally. We have the quantitative data, we have the qualitative data. The quantitative data are the measurable kind of data, like the age, like the height, and it could be nominal, that is identity based, and it could be ordinal, which could give a pattern, maybe like good, better, best. While the nominal just talk about name, maybe a name of individual, that is nominal data. Now, the other category of data is the qualitative data. In other words, talking about quality, the not measurable item of information. And an example is the gender, the perception, or the attitude. You are studying Nigerian students' attitude to social media. You collected information, and from that, you make decision about Nigerian, you make inference about Nigerian students' attitude. Now, you can appreciate that data is so basic to research. Without data, there's no research. It means we must collect information either experimentally or we do it on the field before we can begin to talk about research. Again, I appreciate you listening to this section. Until I join you again in my next video, please keep listening to research and statistics. It can be simpler. Thank you very much for listening.